Hello there! In this video, I'll show you how to find the OBD2 port in a Mark III Ford Mondeo. Why bother? Because if the car's faulty, we can connect a scanner to the port. The scanner detects codes, and those codes suggest what's wrong, which in my car's case makes interesting reading. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, to find the OBD2 port, start with the light switches, then look down here, past this storage compartment, and then down even further until we see that black thing there. Here's a close-up of the black thing, and we now need to grab that at both sides like so, and then pull it down to reveal the OBD2 port, which is just there. And that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.